overall, on that shortened session we had on Thursday, Google ended the day more or less flat. 179.53 is where we closed, had a low in here about 177.05, and we had a high 179.67. Where does that kind of put us in here going forward? You can see that we have our daily chart on in here. We are above that 179.31. That is going to be our immediate support in here if we do hold on to that. If not, that's going to be our first resistance. And then below that, we're looking at the 176.63s. And below there, we're kind of chalk it up to this 9-day EMA at the 175s. And then you got that big 200-day moving average in here on the daily chart at 172.72. So that is going to be a major place for us. If we do pull back any further, obviously the 200-day will come down with us. And then eventually we might all meet at the 170. But for right now, that 172 is currently where that 200-day is currently trading. Now, resistance wise, if we are above that 179 going forward, obviously 180 is going to be our first spot. But then really there's nothing until you get it right around that 185 level in here that we are going to be looking at, as you can see right here onto the daily chart. That was a resistance force back in February. So a whole lot of nothing until you get up there. So we'll see what happens in here. If we go back out to the weekly chart, you can kind of see exactly where all volatility was in the past 4 months or so. You can see obviously the big lull in April and then just a nice climb in here overall. And it looks like we got an indecision candle over here with a hammer on this past week. So a little mean reversion could happen, but our RSI is telling us, hey, we got a ways to go. So we'll see what happens in here going forward. It looks like everybody's pricing in right around a $4 expected move by this Friday. Next Friday, right around a $7 expected move. You go all the way out to April, or I'm sorry, August, right around a $14 expected move. So we'll see how this works out going forward in this upcoming week. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.